Assalamualaikum. My name is Ifra and I am from grade 5. Today I will perform an activity. In this activity I need a pencil, a needle, a thread, magnet and a glass. Now tie a thread one end with the needle and the other end with the pencil and suspend it in an empty glass so that it can move freely. Now wrap the swing needle with the magnet. Now put it in the glass, in an empty glass. Now let's see in which direction will it rest. It rests in the east-west direction. Now we will disturb the needle again. Will it stay in the same direction? Yes, it stays in east-west direction. Thank you.